Welcome to Star World TV. Today we are starting a detailed introduction to Python. Python is simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. It is used for AI, websites, automation, apps, and data. First, notice the code editor. Python code is readable and close to normal English. When the program runs, the terminal shows the result step by step. Python is easy to learn, powerful, versatile, and supported by a huge community. These are the major areas where Python is useful in real projects. Subscribe to Star World TV and continue learning Python step by step. So, what is Python? Python is a beginner-friendly programming language. The idea is simple. A human has an idea, writes Python code, and the computer performs the action. Python is high-level and easy to read, so beginners can understand it faster. Here is a simple code example. It stores a name, creates a message, and prints it. Python connects your ideas to real computer actions. You will see Python used in AI, web development, automation, data, and apps. Now let us move to why Python became so popular. Python is popular because it is easy to read and simple to write. Its syntax is clean, so beginners can focus on logic instead of confusing symbols. Python also has a huge community. Millions of learners and developers use it worldwide. It has many libraries, so you do not need to build everything from zero. Python is used everywhere: web, data science, AI, automation, and more. That is why it is beginner-friendly but still powerful for experts. Where is Python used? Python powers many modern industries. It is used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. It is used for web development, automation, cybersecurity, applications, and robotics. Each card here represents a real-world area where Python can solve practical problems. If this lesson is helping you, subscribe to Star World TV for more programming and knowledge videos. Let us look at Python basics. The first famous program is Hello World. This line tells Python to print text on the screen. The terminal runs the file and displays Hello World. Variables store information. Here, name stores Ali and age stores 20. Python has common data types like string, integer, float, boolean, list, and dictionary. Understanding these basics is the first step toward writing real programs. Core logic in Python has four important ideas: input, conditions, loops, and functions. Input lets a program receive information from the user. Conditions let a program make decisions. If something is true, do this. Otherwise, do that. Loops repeat tasks automatically, so you do not write the same code again and again. Functions are reusable blocks of code. They keep your programs clean and organized. These four ideas are the foundation of almost every Python project. Libraries make Python much more powerful. NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib help with numbers, data, and charts. Flask helps build web apps. TensorFlow and PyTorch help build artificial intelligence systems. Python code and data can flow into an AI model, which produces predictions, insights, automation, and decisions. This is one reason Python is so important in modern AI and data work. Here is a practical Python learning path. Start with basics, variables, data types, conditions, loops, and functions. Then learn file handling, object-oriented programming, API, projects, and later AI automation. Avoid common mistakes: indentation errors, missing quotes, confusing equals signs, and not practicing enough. Start learning Python step by step. Subscribe to Star World TV for the next Python lesson.